Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you and tell you how you can cancel a read message in the Instagram app. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments. Let's get started. We go into the Instagram app. Then we come to messages. For this we click on the extreme sign in the top right corner. Here we see our correspondences. In order to cancel any read messages, we just need to swipe sideways to the left in some correspondence, like this. And here we need to select the third function, unread. Alright, as you can see, this correspondence is now considered unread. If we go in, when we read this correspondence, but there is one nuance, and you can only do this if your Instagram is professional. If you have a regular non-professional page, then, unfortunately, you cannot use such methods. But if you have a professional Instagram, then it's very easy and simple. Swipe left and click Unread. That's how very easily you can cancel an unread post in the Instagram app. Hope this video was helpful for you. Write your comments, put your likes, subscribe to our channel. See you later.